Here we go. By the way, that's my very first time using a handsaw like that, so I'm excited about it. So my bottom piece here is about 3 feet by 19 and a half, and I can only go 18 inches tall on the sides, but this is only 16 inches, so we're going to put them, screw them in like so. So now that I have all my walls up, I'm gonna make my lid later. I need a few more things in order to make my lid. So I'm gonna make the lid later. I might cut the board for it, but I'm gonna make it later. Right now, I need to drill holes in it. I need to put 3/8 inch holes in the sides and 1/8 inch holes on the bottom, every 2 to 4 inches. I'm going to do the 1/8 inch ones on the bottom. So then you want to put your bin someplace where it's going to stay cool all year round, because you don't want the worms to get too warm. I'm sorry if I sound really funny. My chin and cheeks and lips and everything are just freezing up in this cold weather. I'm sorry if I sound weird. Anyways, so you also want to have some air underneath. So I've just got some 2x4s, and I'm going to stick underneath just to give it some air. There we go. And now we're going to fill it up. So I've just got some brown paper bags and random brown paper here that I'm going to use. I don't really want to use the typical newspaper because of the toxic ink in it. You know, I'm just trying to be careful with that. So I'm going to tear this up into like 1/2 inch to 1 inch long strips, and then I'm going to put it in this bucket of water here to get it wet, and then I'm going to kind of fluff it in here and I want several inches worth of wet, fluffed paper. I hope I have enough paper. This would be a lot easier with a paper shredder. Alright. It's been soaking here. Let's just pile it in here. So I'm putting the paper in, and after I put the paper in, I can then put the worms in. And after I put the worms, I'm supposed to put a piece of cardboard the same size and get it wet and lay it down on top. I'm not sure I'm going to do that, because I don't know why I would want to do that. But anyways, and then I cover it. And I'm supposed to cover it. And then I'm supposed to wait a week before I put any kitchen scraps in it. Well, that was only half of what I need. I have to go find some more paper. So I'm gonna take my worms, place them right there. Look, they're still alive! Yay! That's gonna call that good. We're good. This is true.